Now we'll do another exercise where you will underline the correct word. Again, I'll give you two words and you will underline. So we are going to do a second exercise. Exercise number 2. And in this, you're going to underline. Okay? So let's look at this. Underline the right word given in the brackets. Okay, that's the second one. Underline the right word. Right word given. Right word given in the brackets. Okay, now I will write out all the sentences for you. You can look at it and choose the words which you want. First one. Her feet, her feet were, her feet were bare, bare. Next. I cannot. No, he was, he was, he was born. On Tuesday. Next one. A cold wind, a cold wind, cold wind blew. The whole night. The whole night. You will, you will break my plate. Please, please check. Please check these figures. These figures. Next. What is the cost? What is the of this book? I do not believe in. I do not believe in the caste system. Have they chosen? Have they chosen? Have they chosen a site for the new school? For the new school? Treat your elders. Treat your elders with difference or deference. Finally, there is a great a great deference difference between these two these two statements. All right. Now we have the 10 sentences here. We are going to underline the right word from the bracket. The 10 sentences are: her feet were, there are two spellings, bare and bare. One is bare means nothing is there, no shoes, nothing. The other one is an animal, bare, okay? So, her feet were bare, B-A-R-E, bare, and B-E-A-R, bare is an animal. So, her feet were bare, empty. He was born, two spellings, two different spellings, sound saying born. He was born on Tuesday. Okay? He was born on Tuesday. A cold wind blew. Both sound same, different spelling. Cold wind blew. This blue is a color. Cold wind blew the whole night. You will break. Again, break my plate. You will break. B-R-E-A-K, break. This break, the cycle break, what do you call it? Now, please check these figures. Now check. This check is the money. This is checking. Please check these figures. What is the cost of this book? I do not believe in the caste system. Have they chosen a site for the new school? Treat your elders with different deference. Differences, this is white or black. Deference is respect. So treat your elders with deference. There is a great differences, this great difference between these two statements. So we have learned in the second exercise to underline the right word in the bracket. Her feet were bare. He, he was born on Tuesday. The cold wind blew the whole night. You will break my plate. Please check these figures. What is the cost of this book? I do not believe in the caste system. Have they chosen a site for the new school? Treat your elders with deference. There is a great difference between these two statements.